happy day, children. Hope you're all fit and fine. Before moving into the class, today's message, hand hygiene, is very important during this pandemic period. Wash your hands frequently with soap and sanitizer. It helps to kill the germs in your hand. Stay home, stay safe, children. In previous class, we have learnt vocabulary words. Now, let us recall our previous class. Repeat the words along with me, children. Funnel, strainer, pot, mixer, stove, tablespoon, cutting board, knife, churner, peeler, tongues, pan, ladle, bowl, tray, rolling pin, kettle, cup and saucer, plate, tumbler, grater, lemon squeezer and lota. I think you all have understood the vocabulary words. Now, let us move into our today's class. Say the name of this picture. We have already learned this picture in the vocabulary part. Say the answer, children. Yes, it is a mixer. Mixer is otherwise called as blender. Blender is used to make fresh juice, chutneys and dry powders. Very good, children. Today we are going to learn poem 1, Bender the Blender. Bender the Blender. Let us sing Bender the Blender. In this poem, we have 3 stanzas. Each stanza contains 4 lines. I will teach you one by one. Now, I will read the first stanza. Listen carefully, children. There once was a blender. His name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. Blender means mixer. Blender's name is Bender. What is the name of the blender? Bender. When nobody was home, the blender becomes like a human being and run and walk inside the house. Now, can we find out the hidden rhyming words, children? What is a rhyming word? Rhyming word means same sound but different spelling and meaning. In first stanza, blue color highlighted word and green color highlighted words are called rhyming words. Blender, bender, home, roam. Second stanza. All his friends would be there soon. The knife, the fork and the spoon. They would gather around and run all over the ground. Children, here we have to find out hidden rhyming words. First 2 lines, soon, spoon. Second one, around ground. At that time, his friends would also join him. The knife, the fork and the spoon. They would come together and enjoy nicely. Last stanza. Soon everyone is glum. Hearing the car vroom vroom, they have to draw the line and wait until next time. Here, hidden rhyming words are glum, vroom. Glum, vroom. Okay, children? Suddenly, hearing the car sound vroom vroom, everyone became unhappy because of hearing the car sound. All of them have to draw a line and wait for next chance. Let us recap, children. Let us sing. Bender the blender. There once was Blender, his name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. All his friends would be there soon. The knife, the fork, and the spoon. They would gather around and run all over the ground. Soon everyone is glum, hearing the car vroom vroom. They have to draw the line and wait until next time. Ma'am is going to attach one video for you all. Listen carefully, children. It will be very helpful to read the poem.
There once was a blender, his name was Bender. There once was a blender, his name was Bender. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. When no one was home, he would come alive and roam. All his friends would be there soon. The knife, the fork, and the spoon. All his friends would be there soon. The knife, the fork, and the spoon. They would gather around and run all over the ground. They would gather around and run all over the ground. Soon everyone is glum, hearing the car vroom vroom. Soon everyone is glum, hearing the car vroom vroom. They have to draw the line and wait until next time. They have to draw the line and wait until next time.
Hope you all have understood the poem very well, children. Keep memorizing the poem. I will see you in next class. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye, children.